What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Miles, and in this video I'm going to be working on my Honda R18 engine. I'm going to be installing the Hondata 4-bar map sensor, which is basically this, and then I'm going to go into Hondata ECU, the ECU tuner software, and then I'm going to be changing the parameters so that way the Hondata 4-bar map sensor could work. So the way this works is you got to take off the upper cowl. Then what you have to do is 1, 2, 3, that bolt back there. Obviously I can't get it off because I don't have the proper tool for it. Then you have to get 1, 2, 3, and then the bolt that's back there as well. All right, from there, if you can't get off those back bolts, you can lift up the upper cowl and you'll have some more space. The Hondata, well, the stock map sensor is right here. So this piece right here is the cover for this. No, this piece right here is the cover for the fuel rail. So if you go along the lines, you see the wire for the map sensor, which is right here. And then there's the map sensor. You have to pull off this tab right here and get a flathead screwdriver to lift it up on one end while you pull up on the back end. And then from there, you just get the Hondata 4-bar map sensor, put it in, plug this part in, and then go into Hondata and it should work. Alright, so as you see here, I got my engine back up and running. I have the Hondata 4-bar map sensor plugged in. Let me see if I can. There you go, right there. I got the Hondata 4-bar map sensor plugged in. And I already uploaded the tune or the file to get the Hondata 4-bar map sensor to work. So let me go ahead and show you what I've done. So let me fix this. Alright, so let me turn off the flash. There you go. Now, what you got to do is in Hondata for the Honda R18, you have to disable AFM fuel table, because the AFM fuel table is for the stock map sensor. Then you have to enable use map fuel tables. From there, you go to sensors and enable Hondata 4-bar map sensor, max 40 psi. All right, and that's how you get that to work. I hope you like this video. Please be sure to hit the follow and the like button. That being said, it's your boy Miles. Peace.